So, finally got it. Here's all the junk. Steel, blades. It's all cast aluminum parts. I still got to take the screws out of this thing. And just to show you, back here, there's the motor that was in it. 10 cents a pound. It's twice the price of steel, so it's worth getting out. They usually weigh about 10, 20 pounds a piece. Depends. This one's probably about 12, 15. Here's this morning's junk. So I'd actually recorded taking this thing apart, but for some reason the phone didn't want to do it. See if we can do this and see what happens. Always one. Always one, party pooper. Loosen them up. It's a little trick I found. These Phillips head screws, just grab a screwdriver that fits fairly well. That's the key. Loosen them up a little bit. There's a touch. And then they come right out. It's a lot quicker. Come on. Jeez. The monster's going to fight me. It's going to fight me all the way. Come on. Bastard. And party pooper number 2. Come on. Move forward. It's like Monday in China when they put this one together. Y'all still there? Okay. See if we can get these to go. There we go. That's progress right there. Trash. £10. Another 2 here, £12. 35 cents a pound, so $4. You know, once you get the screws going and get them out quick with that driver, it's pretty good. Also, you didn't get to see it, but there's a big nut behind one of these pieces. It's over there. Never mind. And I just happen to have. Makes it real easy. Just pop it on there and just boom, just tap it and bam, it comes right loose. You try to do it by hand with channel locks, whatever, it's never going to work. Pain in the butt. Also, those pull chains, the little ferrules, and the chains are brass. I keep them. Brass is $1.35 a pound, and it adds up quick. So there you go. Take the screws out of these things, and that'll be the end of that. See y'all.